Growth of billionaires has reportedly slowed down globally in recent years, but not in India. India remains an exception when it comes to the growth of billionaires. This has been claimed in a recent report in the UBS Billionaire Ambitions Report. Now, the report has made some really interesting revelations on Indian billionaires' growth. Where does India stand globally in terms of the number of billionaires? How much of this increase was seen in the number of billionaires? Let's know it all in today's episode of India on the Rise. The wealth of India's billionaires surged by 42% in 2024, exceeding $905 billion, making India the third largest concentration of billionaire wealth globally, behind the US and China, according to the report. The report also noted that over the past decade, the number of Indian billionaires more than doubled to 185, with their collective wealth increasing by 263% as of April 2024. About past year, India added 32 billionaires during the past 12 months, a jump of around 21% and more than double since 2015. Over the past year as well, the net worth of billionaire in India rose 42% to $905.6 billion. Comparatively, the US added 84 billionaires, and in China, the number dropped by 93. Not only this, the report also said that over the next decade, India is poised to witness a significant rise in its count of billionaire entrepreneurs. But if global billionaire wealth growth has slowed in recent years, why is India an exception? Well, the report said that the factors contributing to this resilience include a favorable economic environment, rising urbanization, and a growing manufacturing sector. However, the report also highlights growing concerns over the increasing economic disparity between the wealthy and the broader population. What do you think of this rising number of billionaires in India? Let us know in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next episode of India on the Rise.
For more of such videos, do like, share and subscribe to ET Now Swadesh.